Wow, this Italian stuffed peppers recipe is so good that you would never imagine how simple and comforting it really is. Today we're making Peperoni Ripieni, one of those classic Italian dishes that smells like home, family, and Sunday lunch. Juicy peppers, a rich and flavorful filling, and that slow oven bake that brings everything together. This is not just a recipe, this is a real Italian comforting food. Stay with us until the end because when you see how we prepare them, you'll want to make this immediately. Let's start with the ingredients. Celery, carrots, and onion. These three are the best of our vegetable broth. We always prefer to make it at home. It's lighter, more natural, and gives a much deeper flavor to the dish. Bell peppers. We choose colorful peppers red, yellow, green. Ground beef. This is the heart of the filling. We add sausage to give extra deep and that unmistakable Italian taste. Simple tomato sauce because good ingredients don't need to be complicated. Rice, this helps bring everything together and absorbs all those amazing flavor. Eggs, they keep the filling soft and tender. An old Italian trick, bread, keeps the filling moist and delicate. Strong, salty pecorino and creamy parmesan, the perfect balance. Of course, salt, fresh parsley, and good extra virgin olive oil. Just look at these ingredients, you can already tell this is going to be a real Italian recipe. Now we peel the carrots and cut them into large chunks, not too small. We do the same with the celery and the onion. Homemade vegetable broth is something very Italian. It's lighter than store-bought and you can control the flavor. My tip, never rush it. Let the vegetables slowly release their sweetness. Add everything to water, season with salt, cover, and let it boil gently for 30 minutes. First, we soften the bread in water and set it aside. We'll need it soon. Now we finally chop the onion, very small pieces, so it melts into the filling. Add olive oil to the pan and gently saute the onion until soft and golden. Add the rice. We use basmati, but you can use any rice you like. Pour in just enough vegetable broth to cover the rice. The rice doesn't need to cook fully, it only needs to absorb the broth. In a large bowl, add the ground beef. Remove the casing from the sausage and add it to the bowl. Mix them together well. This combination gives incredible flavor. And softened bread. This is what keeps the filling juicy and soft. Add 2 eggs. Now Pecorino Romano and freshly grated Parmesan. Finally chop the parsley and add it in. And of course, salt. Add the rice. We add it while still warm, but ideally let it cool slightly. Mix everything very well. Stuffed peppers are made all over Italy, but you'll find them especially in central and southern regions. Every family has its own version. Some add cheese, some add vegetable, some use only meat. This is the kind of recipe that changes slightly from kitchen to kitchen but always tastes like home. We cut only the top part of the peppers. This way they keep their shape and hold the filling perfectly. Remove all the seeds and clean the inside very well. Take your time and remove all the seeds and white parts inside. Those parts can be slightly bitter and we want the pepper to be sweet and tender after baking. Now we fill the pepper generously, not too tight but nicely packed. You can also change the filling if you like, as I said before. Add vegetables, use only beef, or even make a vegetarian version with rice and cheese. This recipe is very flexible and that's what makes it so loved. Spread tomato sauce on the bottom of the baking dish and add a drizzle of olive oil. Place the peppers in the dish and spoon a little tomato sauce on top. Bake at 390 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take them out, cover with aluminum foil and return to the oven for another 30 minutes. And here we are, our Peperoni Ripieni. Soft peppers, juicy filling, rich tomato sauce. This is pure Italian comfort food. Perfect for family dinners, special occasions, or even the next day, because they taste even better after resting. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Tell us how your family makes stuffed peppers. We'd love to know. See you in the next recipe. Buon appetito!